Hello everyone, my name is Angel Grace B. Moscoso, a caregiving student. Today I will show you the burping techniques. So we have two techniques. The first one is the over the shoulder and the second one is on the lap. First, we need a towel. And this technique is what we call the over the shoulder technique. Place the baby facing at the back. Put a cloth cover the shoulder in case the baby spit.
My
Use your
hand
right
should be
hand
on the right.
to pat the baby's back up and down, up and down, up and down. After the several pat, rub the baby's back. Rub the baby's back, pat up and down, rub. That's it. So next is the on the lap technique. Put your hand on the jaw and then pat baby's back up and down, up and down. After the several pat, rub, pat, and rub. That's it.